everyone. Good afternoon. Please open your cam. Everyone, please open your cam. Okay. So, hi everyone. Are you
Hi.
all right?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Hello.
Again, good.
Hello, good evening.
I um. Hi. I am Kobe Alexander Visido, the athletic director or athletic president of the CITU athletic organization. So since the Christmas is coming, it is very evident that many Christmas parties also coming. So I am glad to announce that I am creating this um, courtesy meeting to have our athletes here in CITU to have a beautiful party before they will go home for their Christmas break. So shall we start? So good day, everyone. I am now called to order our meeting for the planning of our upcoming CITU Athletic Christmas celebration. On behalf of the CITU Athletics Department, thank you for being here. But before we dive into our topics, agendas, let me just call names for to have clear that all are here. So Miss Rendon is the secretary is here.
So our event title is Holiday Athlete Fest 2025, and for the
I
objectives
just no
is
no no
to
no.
celebrate. Ay,
Attendance
Okay.
check.
I mean, koan. Just say
Attendance
present
check.
na. I'm just calling your name. Attendance. Okay.
di
So
usab daw
Miss
sandali.
Rendon is here. Miss Balbido, the organizer, are you here?
Present.
Okay, good. So Miss Baltazar Zillian, the coach of volleyball boys and girls, are you here?
I'm here.
Okay, good. So, and next is Mr. Cabatas, captain ball for basketball. Are you here?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Hinugin, captain ball of volleyball boys. Are you here?
Yes.
Okay, good. And lastly, Miss Adlawan, the accountant and budget department. Are you present,
Yes.
ma'am? Okay, very good. Now, we are now gathered to plan our event titled Holiday Athlete Fest 2025. So, me and my team had already creating the event titled. So, it's the Holiday Athlete Fest 2025. So, let's now begin. And next is I am passing the mic to Ms. Rendon, our secretary, for presenting event details like title and objectives. Miss, please proceed.
So for our event title is Holiday Athlete Fest 2025, and the objectives is to celebrate camaraderie and unity among all athletics teams in the CITU, and to recognize athletes' hard work and strengthen relationships across different sports. We'll be finalizing the date, venue, team, schedule, games, and budgets today.
So before we finalize the dates, let's just hear the availability of our coaches and captains, and also for the venues. So I am let's I okay guys, let's now hear from Miss Baltazar. What date are you available?
I am available on December 18, 20, and 21.
Okay, Miss Pipito, how about you?
I am available on December 18, 19, and 21 also.
Next is Mr. Hinugin. How about you?
I'm only available on December 18 and 21.
So based on the availability, um, we will vote between December 18 and December 21. So what do you think, guys? What should we choose? 18 or 21?
I'll
21.
choose December 20.
December 21.
Okay, so Miss Rendon, please proceed. The majority votes.
And the majority vote for this coming, the majority vote is for, the majority vote for December 21, 2024.
Okay, that's so our date for the event is now sealed. It's December 21, 2024. Please take note, everyone. So, next is the presenting the venue options. So, I am now, let's hear for our organizer, Miss Balbido. Please proceed, Miss.
Okay, so hi everyone. Based from the majority votes of the fixed date, which is on December 21, 2024, I will be presenting three venues based on the availability of the date. The first
Dili.
one will be University Gymnasium since the gym is quite spacious. Next one would be Student Activity Center, and lastly Centennial Covered Court. Please vote.
So, everyone, please vote.
I prefer the
What?
University Gymnasium.
Okay, how about the others? Mr. Hinugin, how about you?
I think University Gymnasium.
Okay, so I believe that it's evident that some of us voted University Gymnasium. So, Miss Rendon, please say the majority votes. Okay, so I believe that Miss Rendon is no, I mean low connection now. So the majority votes is the University Gymnasium. Now, for the presenting the time options, Miss Rendon, please um, give your suggestions of the time and schedules for the event. Nakamute ka, Miss.
Sorry, sir. Yeah. Here are the suggested time schedules: 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., 2 p.m. to
Okay, good.
6 p.m., and 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Please vote for your preferred time.
Okay, I think Miss Rendon is happy. So to have clear, so the suggestion times is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., and lastly 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So everyone, please vote. So what are your preferred time? Miss Pipito and
The
Miss Pipito,
volleyball
Mr.
team
Hinugin,
is the
Miss.
volleyball team. The volleyball girls team is available on 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, good. Also for the basket, are you good with the time?
The boys volleyball team is fine with 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, very good. So now, next topic or the agenda is the event theme. Here are the theme options for the event theme. Please read Miss Rendon.
So the winning time slot is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, that's the time. Now, let's proceed to the theme of the event or the Christmas party. Please read the options. There are three there.
So the first one is the Red and Gold Royal Christmas, and the second one is Wonderland Sports Edition, and the last one is Neon Glow Holiday Party. So please vote.
Please vote, everyone. What are your preferred? Is it Winter Wonderland Sports Edition, Neon Glow Holiday, or the Red and Gold Royal Christmas? How
I'll prefer
what
the
your
Winter Wonderland Sports Edition.
I'd also
how
agree.
about the Mr. Hit? How about you?
Winter
Theme.
one Sport Edition. I'm fine with it.
Okay. Okay, very good. So, Miss Rendon, what is the chosen theme? Please.
The chosen theme is Winter Wonderland Sports Edition.
Okay, so the theme of the event is now good and done and sealed. So it's Winter Wonderland Sports Edition. Please take note of that. Next is let's proceed to the budget discussion for food plus exchange gifts. Please proceed for the budget and accounting department, Miss Adlawan.
We have three suggested budget ranges for food packages. We have the 120 per person, 150 per person, and 180 per person. Let's vote, guys.
Okay, guys, everyone, let's vote.
I prefer
Is it? Are
150.
you okay? Okay, how about the others?
Yeah,
Also
150 too.
agree about the 150 per person.
Okay, very good. But okay, Miss Randon, please announce the winning food budget.
The winning food budget is 150 per person.
Okay, now guys, I have a surprise for you. So me and my team have this had decided that for food expenses, I am happily gladly to announce that the CITU department will cover the budget. So we are good about the food budgets. Now let's proceed to the exchange gifts prices. Miss Adlawan?
So for exchange gifts, here are the suggested price ranges. We have 100 to 150, 150 to 200, and 200 to 250. Please vote.
Okay, please vote everyone. What are your preferred budget for the exchange gifts?
200 to 250. I suggest 200 to 250.
Okay,
I
Miss.
suggest,
How about
I suggest as a student
okay, go?
athlete, the range I prefer is 150 to 200.
How about Mr. Hinugin?
I agree with Miss Pipito. 150 to 200 pesos. Since we're students.
Okay, so okay. Good. Nice to hear that. Miss Rendon, please, what is the winning price range?
The winning price range is 150 to 200.
Okay, so the winning price range 150 to 200. So the the price for the exchange gift is now is also done. It's 150 to 200. Now let's proceed to presenting the games for the um, events. Miss Balbido, the organizer, please proceed.
Okay, for the game, since it is an athlete party, here are my initial suggested games. 3-point shootout or spike accuracy contest, relay games. This is specifically a sports edition, and Christmas costume competition, which is a sports version also. Now, I would like to hear suggestions from our coaches and captains.
I suggest an inter-team mini volleyball rally.
As a basketball captain, I propose a fun 5-minute
Okay.
basketball scrimmage tournament between mixed teams.
And also, as a volleyball girls captain, I think a Christmas dance showdown among the athletes would be exciting also.
As the representatives of the boys volleyball team, I suggest that we should have a sports themed obstacle course for all athletes.
Okay, thank you for the great ideas. I also want to add a fun twist to our games this year. Volleyball teams will play basketball games, and then the basketball teams will try to play volleyball games. This will be a crossover challenge, just for fun, laughter, and sportsmanship.
Oh, I think that's a great idea.
So
I'm also agree
Chris,
with that.
Okay, so let's vote on which
okay.
finalize for the program.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's have fun.
Miss Rendon, please proceed.
So the majority votes are in, guys. Here are the winning games. Relay Games Sports Edition, 3-point shoot, and spike accuracy contest, Christmas costume competition, sports version, crossover challenge. So volleyball teams play basketball and basketball teams play volleyball.
Perfect. This will be our official games for the event.
Now let's move to the registration details. Miss Rindon, the secretary, please. What are we going to do with the registration details?
For the registration, guys, athletes will sign up through an online Google form to be sent in the group chat, and registration fee is none. Deadline for signing up is December 10, 2024.
Okay, very good. Now it's time to the summary of the final voted approved list from today's meeting. Miss Rindon, please read and what are those?
So here is the final approved list for from today's meeting. So the event title is Holiday Athlete Fest 2024, and the objectives is camaraderie, recognition of athletes. And the date is December 21, 2024, and the time is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And the venue is University Gymnasium, and the theme Winter Wonder World Sports Edition. And for the budget, 150 per person, covered by the CITU department. Exchange gift price, 150 to 200. And the games, relay games, 3-point spike accuracy contest, costume competition, and for the registration is on online form and deadline on December 10.
Okay, I think the that's all for the um agenda of our koan, the event title, the objectives, dates, time, venue, theme, food budget, exchange gift prizes, games, and registrations are sealed and finally approved. Now it's think I just let me just take this moment from you. I want to thank you all for giving time for our meeting today. Thank you for your cooperation, and I hope that this event is just good for our athlete to have good bonding before they will go home in their Christmas break, and it also helps the volleyball boys, girls, and for the basketball to have good communication because as a Wildcats, it's known for family and family and one roar. So again, the committee heads will now move forward with execution. Now, I thank you everyone for joining this meeting. Um, please take note of the dates and approvals of the agenda. Please take note of that so that it is clear nga madayon ang ato ang Christmas party. So, thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, thank
See
you.
you. See you in Christmas
See you soon.
party.
See you. See you. See you. See you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.